Fukuoka City Hall and look at those people. They're enjoying I think they're having sunbathing here. And the pigeons. Oh, torida. Torida, hato. Pigeon.
神社にあるやない。
あ、そう。はい。食べられないも大丈夫。
とかここ。
食べてないも大丈夫ね。ああ、なんで食べられる。So this is Fukuoka City Center. 食べるもの。面白いね。Fukuoka City Center. Side of the Fukuoka City Hall. At the moment of Fukuoka City Hall. これ地図の街の。They have the floor map of Fukuoka City. 東区はどこですか? So where is 東区? That's the place that we are living now. 東区、これ博多駅ですね。これ博多駅。これ博多駅。And they have this Fukuoka open top bus here. So you can directly. こんにちは。何時までですか？6時半まで。でもチケット買う何時まで？レソフェーションとか。
予約は7時までです。
7時まで大丈夫。
翌日の予約になります。最終便が6時半なので。
Okay. Ah, they even have this one. Nice. だから寒いも大丈夫ですね。It's okay. They provide a coat. そう、でもこれは乗って、オープンタップバス、あそこで。オープンバスで。
はいはいはい。2階建てのね。
そうそうそう。
ここから出てるの？ああ、そうですか。
So even my Oya-san, Japanese lady, she just know about this open top bus. 初めて見た。日本人。
外国人に聞きようね。
And they have this miniature of the famous festival in Fukuoka. So can I take picture here? Yes, 綺麗ね。And over there, I don't know exactly what is it for, but it's just fun. Like you register yourself, you take picture, and then kind of got a like ID. That's the Fukuoka supporter. When you take a picture here, then you will get the ID as Fukuoka supporter.